Well, hello, my frilly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and this is my shopping life. And of course, we are back shopping at Aldi. They're voted #1 in price for 6 years running. It's an Aldi thing, and I believe it. Aldi really does have some great prices. Always changing the merchandise, and it's almost like kind of you see it and you really want it, you definitely have to grab it then. I like these basket steaks. You have 3 different ones. You have the plain, you have the one with the leaves that we see right here, and then there's one with the birds. Now the nice thing about these is there's four steaks at the bottom, so that's really going to hold that in. Sometimes they're just 2, and that could kind of, if it's a heavy plant, that could really kind of make it lean to one side. This with 4 of them, that is awesome. I really wish I could find the price on those. I think they just put some of this merchandise out. Here is another, the hanging basket stand, and no price on that one. So I'll keep checking those. Hopefully they'll have those next week with the prices. And now this is really nice. Let's kind of turn it around. It's definitely going to be heavy. It's a double glider. You can see in the bottom, this is a nice outdoor seating, and it just glides back and forth. We're going to go in for more merchandise. Now, this is $6.99, already on clearance. It's a new item. It just really it makes me laugh how quickly they go on clearance. This bag is super light. I like it. I like the handles. You have that grip on there. Super light. It doesn't even weigh a pound, like barely. And look the size of it. That could carry a lot. So the bag is already light, so whenever you fill up in there, and you're going to feel a lot. I mean, look how wide it is. For $6.99, that is great. So there's a couple different prints that we see. They're just right in there. So pretty. I like those. Now, the ladies' soft robe. So you have 3 different sizes, but these are really nice. They're kind of stuck. So there's some stuck in there. It's really full. So I was able to kind of pull this one out. I couldn't pull it out any further. They're just tight in there. But this one was kind of laying on top, so I was able to get it. But this is really nice material. It's that buttery soft. So I saw the floral, and I see this blue. It looked like there was a peach one in the back. But how nice are those? That's a perfect Mother's Day gift. And the paint by numbers, oh, that's fun. So that was $4.99. Oh, I don't know if I got the robe price. $12.99, not bad price for a robe. So the canvas art, you can see there's 6 different designs. Let's see if I could grab one. See all the numbers. Now the fun thing about this is great for kids and adults. Here's the paints and the paint brushes, and you're ready to go. See, that was really cute. Like, my daughter would enjoy having fun doing that one. Now $4.99 is a 3-pack of essential oils. So we have like lavender, orange, and peppermint. Peppermint is really good. I use that to spray outside for the bugs. And then we have breathe in, eucalyptus, and more peppermint. But for 3 of them for $5, not a bad price. And then the diffuser. Well, this looks really interesting. This one almost looks like a succulent plant. So you just put the oil on those. I wonder if that's like ceramic on top. I didn't want to open one up. You have one in blue and in pink. That looks like another, like a flower, or almost like a succulent. $5 for those. So those would make nice little gifts, and really at a good price. $7.99. This wine chiller. It's insulated. That's pretty cool. And some of them are plain, like the purple. You have the silver. This was really nice. I could see some of my friends who have like crickets and silhouettes, they would get really crafty with these. There's another design. $7.99 for that. It's not a bad price at all. Now for $4.99, they had these last year. They're like for wine glasses, cans, or cups. It's a beverage stake. So it's two parts. So you just, put it together and then you put it right in the ground. I honestly think you could use this for holding candles. Just make sure the candle is in the right spot. But that is actually pretty cool. And for $5, it's not a bad price at all. Now for $9.99, $10, already on clearance, is a resin. It's like half wood and half resin. Now I grabbed it and this piece kind of got me. It's already coming apart in the back. So I'm not sure about these. Almost looks like a wishbone, the design. So if you get one of these, you find it, double check it, just make sure there's no cracks in it. But for the price is not a bad price for that at all. Here's another one for a really good price, $12.99. And these are a drink serving tray. Look how beautiful that blue is. Wow. That is just amazing. This is a nice tray, especially for $12.99. Put a couple drinks on there. Now it looks like there's another one pink. Let's see if I can find it. So I found it in the back. You can see my reflection in there. It's a little bit dark, but I don't know if it's just because it's back there, but it's actually really pretty. Almost looks like a burgundy. Now $11.99, the cheese knives. How nice are these? The gold. You have two different handles. So this is really pretty. These are fancy. These would actually, honestly, would make really nice wedding gifts. Here's the second one. Those are really nice pieces. And the price, yeah. Now, $3.99, the Crofton. Let's take a look what we have here. So these are very interesting containers. The avocado, it's called like the flip. And the veggie flip pod. I don't know if I mean, I guess it's gonna seal up really well, but very interesting. This one's like for lemons. The lemon flip pod. If you have used these, let us know. Here's the butter dish. I guess you could use it one way or another. That's what I'm assuming. Now for $40, check these out. What's this called? Decorative poof. It's a large poof. To me, I almost think it would be really good for like an ottoman. But for $40, all right. Now, $40, these are plant stands. And I'm assuming that they're just tall, and there's probably gonna be about 6 or 8 inches deep, another container in there. I just did not want to bring one down. $48, because these are right on the top shelf. Now, we've seen these before, the $15. It almost looks like from here, you would think it was a trash can. It's another plant stand. You just turn it over, and then it has a little wire inside to hold your plant in. Now, for $10, look how cute these are. This is a piñata. Okay, it's on the top shelf. I'm going to do some real serious tiptoeing. How about that strawberry? How cute are these? So I was able to grab the strawberry. I'm assuming there's another one that's a watermelon and maybe a lemon. I was just really afraid to bring that whole thing down. But it comes with a stick. You could fill it up right there. It's almost too pretty to, destroy, but how fun is that for the summer? And for $10, this 4-pack glassware. So you have the juniper glasses, you have the stemless wine glasses, and then regular wine glasses. These are really fun. I love the bright colors. I'm actually thinking, so my husband loves these glasses. They're called juniper, and I'm gonna grab this box to see, because if I don't, and he said he really liked it, then I go back, it's not gonna be there. It's $10, and so if he's not a fan, then I can always return them too. Now here's some more insulated bags, $12.99. It's a wine or beverage. Okay, this is a wine cooler bag. Now the bag initially is light, and I like there's an extra strap in there, so you have a zipper up there. You could get 3 bottles of wine in there. And then here is the beverage bag. I didn't open this one up. I'm assuming it's the same. But these are actually really nice for $12.99. You can also use this as a lunch bag if you want to. It's a good size. And how cool are these? This is a pineapple peach margarita. I love the glass and the candle, and honestly, it does smell like a margarita. So you have strawberry kiwi and this spicy lime. Those are really fun, and $7.99. Now, I showed these really fast last week. It was a 2-pack to slim drawer organizers, and then one was also a 1 organizer with 3. $3.99, which is a really good price. I got them home. They did not fit my drawers at all. They were just a little too long. So I ended up using them in my linen closet. And so I was able to reuse those, but fitting in my drawers, no. Like these would not fit in my kitchen drawers. My kitchen drawers are not that deep. But $5, that's a really good price. Now I like these lights, $9.79. I still wish they would come down a little bit more in price because I really like these string lights. And I need quite a few of them. Because I would like to do a couple of my trees in the back. But those would be perfect. So we'll keep our eye on those. $14.99, the plant stands. I showed these a couple of weeks ago. They're still the same price. I still haven't put the other 2 up. I need to do that. Here's a tall one. Oh, I didn't see that one. So they have a few different ones. You kind of have to go through it. Because they all have the same number. But there's some different designs in there. And you can see the boxes. The shape of the boxes are a little different. Now that glass mixing bowl set, $8.49. So it finally came down. It was normally $16.99. And the skirt, I did grab the skirt. So you see the floral in the front, the black one in the back. I did grab the black one. I actually really do like it. It's super soft. It's that buttery feel to it. No pockets, but it works. And let's see, how much is that one? $4.99. Oh, these are really nice. You have the plant bracket. You can put this on your fence or wherever you want to hang it up, but it's really nice. Now for $4.99, I am going to grab a couple of these. The plant caddy, it's metal too. So that will work out perfectly. And that price, they're going to sell down pretty fast. So really a lot of great garden items. The replacement, the cocoa liner. Yeah, $2.99, not a bad price for that one. Because over time they do tend to break down. Now, $4.99. So this is at the bottom. I really like this one. I'm actually, for $5, not a bad price. I'm actually going to grab this. That is perfect. And then this one is, okay, this was $10. And let me kind of show you. I'm going to turn the camera around because, so it's a window planter. Very interesting and not a bad price at all. And these nesting side tables, those are pretty for the outdoors. You do have to put them together, but they say it's real easy. How much are those? Go down. Oh, $50. Oh. Now for $30, this round decorative flower step. That is really long. That is actually really cool. Is it one or is that two? That's 2 together. I don't know. I'm seeing two different pictures on there. I'm assuming the first one, and it's really long. Now for $16.99, this was kind of like the ones that we saw on top of the shelf that are really tall. So you can see the insert. And the electric pressure washer, still $100. I keep watching that. And that wood and marble recipe stand, this didn't go down in price. That was, yeah, normally $20, it went down for $10. So that's really cool. It's a great gift. And oh, I like these little fence panels. So they're $6.99 each. Let's see if I can grab one. You really have to kind of measure where you're going to put it. So it's about 3 feet long. And it's pretty large, so I don't think it's going to keep any animals out of your garden. And then $18.79, that 4-tier greenhouse. And then here's some more of the garden. Now we've seen, yeah, the hose nozzles. Now last week I showed these. They had them at $9.99. I think they corrected at $4.99. This makes so much more sense because I was like, how are those cost more than the other ones? The other ones were a lot heavier. These were very light. So here is the correct price. So it was $10 for the hose accessories. Look at this one. This is serious. You attach it to one and then you have 4 additional. There's some weight on this as well. I'm not sure how I would use that. And here's some more, the quick connect kit. Well, that is cool, especially if you have maybe 2 short hoses, you want to make them to a longer hose. And then we have the sling folding chair. And that one is $25. What a great price for those. Very simple, very nice. So everybody, well, thank you so much for coming along to Aldi with me today. There were so many great new items today. So excited for the warm weather. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later.